Can I interest you in ethereal waterfall? I'm standing here below Salt Creek Falls, second tallest waterfall here in the great state of Oregon. And look how absolutely beautiful this is. It's precious. Come up here to the lookout zone. This is the lower lookout where you stand essentially at the base right across money shot of Salt Creek Falls. This is the second tallest waterfall in the great state of Oregon. It is morning, got the sun shining above it, creating an ethereal mist. Kind of refreshing actually, as it falls down into Salt Creek. Look at the incredible beauty of Salt Creek Falls. I'm here in Central Oregon, looking across the way at the second highest waterfall in the entire state of Oregon. This, my friend, is absolutely beautiful. Look down and see it's forming the beautiful Salt Creek. Look at how absolutely incredible this is. This is beautiful, my friend. Can I interest you in a waterfall wonderland? I'm standing here overlooking Salt Creek Falls here in Central Oregon. It's the second tallest waterfall in the entire state of Oregon. Let's check as it goes all the way down this mighty canyon. Loving that moss across the way, that is beautiful. And you can see down below it forms the incredible Salt Creek. Look at that. That, my friend, is absolutely